Good morning, students. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss the interface concept in the object-oriented programming subject. Okay. Interface, this will be used to implement the uh, abstract concept which you have learned in Unit 1. This is the real-time example for the interface. How the interface is happening from one component to another component. Okay, here and you can consider our mobile phones also. If you are once you are switch on your mobile phones, how it is getting activated. So for that activation also we need the interface concept. Okay. Here we are using this interface concept. How the interface concept is used in computer means whenever you switch on your computer, the CMOS battery will get activated. So that it will send a power. The next one example is a car. Okay. Just we will sit inside the car. We will start the car. We will change the gear, and we will, if you want, we will use the brake. Okay. For doing this, putting the brake, changing the gear, for that also we need a interface with the engine. Okay. So it is shown here. The next one is this is an ATM machine. Okay. How the interface is happening after you are swiping or inserting a card, then we have to put the number, then it will ask for the that other things. Okay, then it will dispatch the cash, and it will also dispatch the bill also, the receipt also. Okay, and for this also we need the interface. This we will next proceed with the theory part. Okay, it is a blueprint of a class. It has a static, constant, and abstract methods. So while we are going with the interface concept, it have a static values and abstract methods. Then basically this will use it to achieve the abstraction through the multiple inheritance. Why means this multiple inheritance concept, it is not supported in our object-oriented programming language. So we are using this, by using this interface concept, we are achieving the multiple inheritance. Okay. Then abstraction methods, the only it is used in the Java interface, not on the method body. This will be used to represent the ISA relationship. And this is the interface declaration part, how it could be declared. By using this interface keyword, we will declare the interface. We could use this interface concept in our program. This will be provides the total abstraction. The methods in the interface are declared with the empty body alone. And while we are going with the methods, it will substitute these keywords public, static, and final by default. Then the interface name we should give, and we can give the some constant fields and methods by default values also it could be given. This the internal addition by the how it is converted. Okay. Already we said no public, static, final, it will be substituted. In while we are typing a program, we will type like this in Java. Okay, interface printable. Printable, it's a class, the interface name. So we will save with the .java extension. Then just to declare a variable minimum value. Then print. Okay. Then while we are compiling your program, the compiler, it will be just converted into this format. It will not change the your interface name or interface keyword. Just it will change the variables or methods which is used inside the interface class. So for a variable, okay, it will substitute public, static, final. If it is a method, then it will substitute a public and abstract keyword in front of that particular method. Then the relationship between classes and interfaces. The class, it will be used to extend the another class, but the interface, it will be used to extend the another interface. But the class, it could interface implements the interface, but the interface, it will not implement the class. For that, the example is given. Class could be extended by class, another class. Interface, it could implement from the class, and the interface from interface. This is the example for interface. The interface printable void print. Then here we are going to implement a printable to class A. Class A implements printable. Public void print, then system dot print, it will print hello. Then the main method. For the main method, we are not able to create an object for the interface class or abstract class. Okay. So here it is created object for the class A. Through that class A, we will call this print. Okay. A object equal to new A. Obj dot print. Okay. Through this object, it will call this print. The print definition, it will be in the this class A because it is implemented in class A. So just it will print the keyword hello. The next one is the example for drawable. Interface drawable void draw. It will be called this method. By calling this method, we can draw the multiple shapes. For that, it is defined class rectangle and here class circle. But it both it will implement the drawable interface class. Void draw, it will draw the rectangle. Here it will draw the circle. Okay. Then next one is class test interface. Here because in this another class only we have to declare and define main method. Main drawable, we are creating an object. New circle. Then in real scenario, object is provided by method get drawable method. It will call that get drawable method in order to draw a circle or rectangle. D dot draw. So now what it will draw means output will be a drawing circle because a drawable object it is called as a circle class. This is another example for the interface. Interface A, B, C, D method names are there. Abstract class B implements A. Here it is the abstract class. Once you have given a value, it may not be changed. Next one is class M. It will extend B. I am A. Then likewise I am A and next one is void B and void D. So this is the normal class, this is the abstract class. Another class is used to test the program. Main method A equal to new M. Okay, here what it will do means it will create, we are not able to create an object and also it will not initialize the memory for this abstract class. So here object is created and for allocated memory for this M class. A dot A dot B, A dot C, A dot D. Just it will call the method and it will print. The output for this program is I am A, then next print I am B, next it will print I am C, then next I am print I am D. Thank you, students.